Hi there, Nancy Reeves here, your fundraising coach. In the group coaching program I offer to nonprofit leaders, at the beginning of our 1 hour time together each week, students are to share their fundraising wins from the previous week. Well, we had a new student join the group last month. It was maybe her second session with the group, and it was her turn to speak. She stated she couldn't think of any wins to share. She went on to talk about her week, the connections she had made, the introductions that took place, the people stepping up to help. There were powerful conversations that took place. She visited with a grant funder and was invited to submit a proposal, an invitation not everyone receives from this grantor. The more she heard herself talk about her week and others share their wins, her face lit up. She realized she had lots of wins that week. The reason it's important to recognize your daily or weekly wins, large and small, is because it makes you recognize progress and advancements toward your goals. Not every win is going to be bringing in $25,000, $50,000, $1 million. Securing large gifts does not happen overnight. It's the small steps that are important. There is power in small wins. For example, if you don't have those meaningful conversations with potential major donors, you are not likely to secure large gifts from those donors. You want to celebrate progress in your work because the work you do matters, and the small progress you make every day motivates you to keep going. You've heard of the progress principle, right? It means making progress and advancements in meaningful work is the single most important thing that can lift your emotions and increase your motivation. So change your thinking about recognizing your wins. Small wins turn into big wins. Celebrate them and know you are moving in the right direction in reaching your goals, in raising significant money for your nonprofit. Bottom line, a small win can make all the difference in the world in how you feel and perform. Now, make sure you check out other fundraising tips and strategies by signing up through the link here or going to fundraisingmaximize.com. See you next time. Bye for now.